So, you've got a Google Pixel, stock Android, great camera, smart features, but the real magic happens when you make it your own. Today, we'll show you how to tweak key settings. No third-party apps, no rooting, just using what Google built in. We'll cover display, notifications, battery, digital well-being, and home screen customization. Grab your Pixel. Let's unlock its full potential. First up, let's talk about the display. Your window to everything you do on your phone. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or just reading messages, the quality of your screen makes a huge difference in your daily experience. Head into Settings, then tap on Display. If you have a Pro model, make sure to bump up the resolution to QHD+ for extra sharp visuals. This setting really brings out the details in photos, videos, and even small text, making everything look crisp and clear. Next, turn on Smooth Display to unlock that buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. For most people, leaving it on adaptive mode is best. It automatically adjusts for the perfect balance between smoothness and battery life, so you get a fluid experience without draining your phone too quickly. Under Colors, you'll find options like Adaptive for punchier, more vibrant visuals, or Natural for true-to-life accuracy. Try both and see which one you prefer. Some people love the extra pop, while others want colors to look exactly as they should. Don't forget to enable Dark Theme. Not only does it look sleek, but it can also help save battery and reduce eye strain, especially if your phone uses an OLED screen. It's a small change that makes a big difference during nighttime use. You can even schedule Dark Theme to turn on automatically at sunset or at a custom time, or just leave it on all the time if you prefer that look. With just a few quick tweaks, your screen will not only look and feel more premium, but it'll also be perfectly tailored to your style and needs. Enjoy your upgraded display. Notifications can help or overwhelm. Let's take control. In Settings, Notifications, manage alerts per app and even by category. Mute what you don't need. Enable notification history so you never miss a dismissed alert. Set up Do Not Disturb with custom schedules and exceptions for important contacts. Allow repeat callers for emergencies. Spend a few minutes fine-tuning, and your phone becomes a tool, not a distraction. Curate your attention, reclaim your focus. Battery life matters. Let's make it last. We all know the frustration of seeing that battery icon dip into the red at the worst possible moment. But with a few smart tweaks, your phone can go the distance, keeping you connected and worry-free all day long. Head into Settings, then tap Battery. Make sure Adaptive Battery is switched on. This clever feature lets your Pixel learn which apps you use most and which ones can wait, so it limits background drain and saves power for what matters. Next, set Battery Saver to turn on automatically at 20%. This way, when your battery gets low, your phone will instantly start conserving energy. Perfect for those unexpected long days or emergencies when you can't get to a charger. And if you're really running low, try Extreme Battery Saver. It pauses non-essential apps and notifications, so your phone focuses only on what's truly important until you can recharge. At night, use adaptive charging with your alarm set. Your phone charges slowly and finishes just before you wake up, which helps preserve long-term battery health and ensures you start every day with a full charge. With these features working quietly in the background, you'll enjoy more time between charges and less stress about running out of power. Smarter battery, longer life, so you can focus on what matters most. Digital well-being is all about helping you use your phone with intention rather than out of habit. In today's world, our devices are always within reach, making it easy to lose track of time and attention. But with the right tools, you can create a healthier relationship with your technology. Start by checking the dashboard for your daily screen time and unlocks. It's often eye-opening to see just how much you use your phone. These insights can help you spot patterns and make more mindful choices. Set app timers to limit the time you spend on distracting apps like social media or games. This gentle nudge can help you stay focused and avoid endless scrolling. Use focus mode to pause groups of distracting apps during work or study sessions. It's a great way to protect your concentration and boost productivity when you need it most. Enable bedtime mode to silence notifications and turn your screen grayscale at night. This helps you wind down, sleep better, and wake up feeling refreshed. Even small changes can have a big impact on your daily habits and overall well-being. You'll notice more free time and less stress. Take control, not just of your phone, but of your time and attention. With digital well-being, you can make your device work for you, not the other way around. Your home screen should work for you. Customize the At-a-Glance widget for useful info, calendar, weather, deliveries. Keep your main screen clean with only essential apps. Use folders for organization. Explore wallpaper and style material. You themes your phone based on your wallpaper. Add widgets for quick access to notes, music, or photos. A tidy, personalized home screen makes everything smoother. Make it functional, make it yours. That's it. 5 ways to make your Pixel truly yours. These built-in tools can transform your daily experience. Experiment and see what fits your life. Share your own tips in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech deep dives. Until next time, peace.